back, everybody. What is today? Oh, I can't see. Big bump. 12th? Does that sound about right? November 12th. Last I looked, it was 84 degrees. This is my kind of November. 84 degrees, and it kind of feels cool in my arms. Who would have thought 84 degrees would actually feel cool? Welcome to, I guess we're in the New Braunfels area. New Braunfels, Texas. Yeah, that's what I said. Outside San Antonio a little bit. And before we get started, I think I want to dedicate this to my dear wife. Recently been married. She has served in the military for 23 years, the Air Force. And don't accidentally say another branch of the military. It's the Air Force. Only the Air Force. And we just had Memorial Day. And oh, that looks like a road I can go down. Yeah, we just had Memorial Day. And we went to an NBA game. National Basketball Association, I'm assuming. Never been to an NBA game. And, oh, let me itch my nose. Itchy nose. And it was pretty cool. I'll throw in some footage here and there of the game. Like I said, I've never been, and it was fun. I really enjoyed it since, you know, she's in the military. Before the game, we were able to go down in the first row, watch them warm up, have a little practice. It was really cool. We watched San Antonio Spurs against the Kings. They're out west. The Kings, Washington, Oregon, maybe. I don't know. I told her next time we go to a sporting event, I'm gonna make a sign, and it's gonna say "Go Sports." Anybody that has watched Big Bang might remember when Leonard wrote on his belly, "Go Sports." I think it's hilarious. It's Peace Man or Peace Woman. Sheriff, gonna get us. Going too fast, boy. But I think I found a series of roads that I absolutely love. I can get here super easy, and the roads are wonderful, and I like them. We just had to move out of the San Antonio. Well, we're still in the San Antonio area, don't get me wrong. We just moved from Converse to, anybody that's kind of lived in the country, we got a whole bunch of Peace people. Nope, that's just a Jeep. Oh, it's not even a Jeep, it's a Ford. Oh my goodness. Anybody that's kind of like lived in the country might understand this. So our mailing address is either Marion or sometimes it's Santa Clara. We're right on the cusp of Shirts, New Braunfels, Marion, Santa Clara. So, you know, if I do anything with Walmart, it's Santa Clara. If I do anything with Amazon, it's Marion. I don't know. It's crazy. But I do enjoy the roads in this area, and I figured I would enjoy the roads in this area. Because I've been in this area riding a little bit, and I was like, oh, nice. Super close to the house, not that busy. As we can see, I'm going to run into traffic. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. People are getting off work. But that's fine. At least I'm not coming from Converse all the way over here, taking 45 minutes to ride a road that's going to be nothing but backed up traffic, because I've done this road, and that's how it was. Golden Ridge, Shirts. Hopefully I'm not going the wrong way. I don't think I am. 3009. I think I'm going the right way. Oh, I'm going to go fast. Really not that fast. I'm going the right way. I remember this. That's funny. It's funny how you remember things. So I did this road. This was one of my first big rides. And when I mean big rides, I just came from the other side of San Antonio. And it's not even the other side. It took me 40 minutes to get here. And I rode this. And I remember that stop sign back there and how traffic was built up. And now I'm like, oh, it's 309. I know that road. I know where it goes if I turn left. And I know where it goes if it turns right. And it's only taken me, well, I haven't been down here a year yet. Moved down in January. So we're getting there. I still rely heavily on my phone. So, yeah. I think I will for a very long time. San Antonio is huge, by the way. Huge. And I went and got gas at the Quick Trip QT, and they have non-ethanol fuel. I was like, I can deal with that. So I put some non-ethanol fuel, and ethanol is just an alcohol. It can absorb moisture as it sits. I've only put 3,000 miles on this thing this year, so let's fill it up, you know, maybe a couple times with better quality of gas, I should say. And if there is any water in there, hopefully I can burn it all out with a couple tanks of gas and just prevent anything from happening this winter as it sits in the garage. Or is it going to sit in the garage? We'll see. Now, it does get cold down here. Look at this, hills. Like roller coasty hills. Usually for about 2 weeks it gets below freezing, maybe a couple days, and then it's back up in the 50s, 60s, 70s maybe. I don't know. Like I said, I moved down in January, so we will see. I'm excited that I won't have to strap my heated gear on. Maybe I just throw my leather on. And the crazy thing is, I just went out and bought a new leather jacket. I wasn't thinking that I was going to be married and moving to Texas. So, you know, I kept things as if I was living in Ohio. So this leather jacket, it's a very thick, wonderful cold weather coat. I don't know if I'm ever going to wear it down here. Hill Country, Texas. And this is kind of, you know, what it looks like. I want to get out west a little further, out into Texas, like West Texas, Big Bend area. It's really pretty though. I don't know if I could. That house right on the edge, I don't know if I could do that. I'm not that big of a fan of heights. Yeah, I would say these hills are about the same as Southern Ohio, as the height of them. There's just, I think Southern Ohio has more roads that go up and over and around, to where here you don't have them as much. But then again, you know, I'm still trying to find them all. And I've been watching some YouTube videos. I'm trying to figure out what to do with a phone because it keeps overheating in the summer. And this other person had the same problem with their S22. Well, I've recently upgraded to an S24 Ultra. So we're going to see if it has the same overheating issues. And if it does, there's a tablet that you can buy that you can use as a GPS. It still piggybacks off your phone, but if I can put the phone in the storage compartment, maybe with like some ice or something, you know, one of those things you throw in the freezer and you throw in there, and keep it kind of on the cooler side, keep the phone kind of cool while it's charging, if it even fits. I need to see if it fits in there. Then maybe I can keep the tablet out here. You know, we'll see. Got to get that figured out, because if I'm out somewhere and my phone overheats and shuts down, you know, it'd be fine, because I would just find a place to get out of the sun for a minute, let everything cool down. But I don't need to have a phone that keeps overheating, because that's going to lead to other issues. Believe me, I know I've had the issue. So I don't know, we'll see. It's a river, a creek, it's something, a piece of water that there's no water in. There's no water. That's just how it is here. And I don't even know how far out I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go for a ride, enjoy this cool 84 degrees. Okay, everybody look to the right. Is this going to be a road that I can check out one day? Yeah, probably. Nice little house. Nice ranch. All right, everybody. So, seriously, I got to get back into the comments. I haven't really looked at them yet since I put my last video up, but any suggestions about overheating phones, definitely drop a comment. I will be running through all of them here shortly. I can't be out and about with a phone that can't take the heat. So what do we do? Road closed when flashing. It looks kind of twisty. Is that a deer? Hey, Bambi. Yeah, what do we do? How do we fix that? And look, see all the traffic. It's a building, people. So as I head home, it is going to be a lot more traffic, but that's fine. This has been, so far, a really nice ride. I just had my wife down this road. So you're going to see this. I forgot I had my camera on. This is going to be a back-to-back going down this road, 1683 or 1863, whatever road I'm on. Johnson Way Boulevard. So as we're stopped here, give me a big old thumbs up. Hopefully you like the ramblings from a fat man in San Antonio. Stay safe, everybody. Let's make sure this Jeep doesn't plow into me. Yep, we're recording, and I will see everybody down the road. I'm going to listen to some music as I enjoy this beautiful ride in this beautiful weather here in Texas. See, let's play Texas.